Hey guys. So today I thought that I would do like a poor gaming setup, which is, it's kind of a running joke that I am really poor, right? And my gaming setup is really bad. So we're just gonna go through it right now. This video is gonna have no editing whatsoever because I'm using the YouTube recorder. So don't expect an A+ video, not like you ever should. All right, so let's start off with this. Alright, this isn't really gaming, but we got the TCL 720p Roku TV. No cable, we don't pay for that crap. We have some Vizio soundbar that I got, so that's pretty cool. As you can see, it's resting on the best literature out there. We got Tom Clancy. I no longer have an Xbox 360, so these games are essentially worthless. Except for Halo 4, that is backwards compatible, I think. So we have Halo 4, Titanfall, World of Tanks, Halo 5, which I could actually play, and Fallout 4, which I have on PC, I don't need that. Call of Duty Ghosts, actually one of my favorite Call of Duty games, unpopular opinion. Assassin's Creed, Battlefield 4, Destiny, or my personal favorite game, Dishonored. Such an amazing game. And last but not least, we have MW2, the collector's case. It's really cool, nice and tin. Let's see. This is gonna become more like a room tour, so yeah. We have my Washburn Lion acoustic guitar. Probably need to tune it. We have my nice, authentic Soviet Shanka, or Shanka, however you want to pronounce it. Got a bed. It's my bed. Okay, let's go to the other guitar, actually. So we have a Fender Frontman 15G amp, right? We have a Squier Strat humbucker single. Basically means this is the humbucker right here. These are the two singles. Got my Weeaboo guitar Strat. Let's see. Here, let's get to the computer now. So, this is the computer, as you can see. So I'm gonna come actually out here, right? Okay. I wanna, cause I know. Hold up. As you can see, it's just filled with crap and it runs kind of slow. Let's go to system. Look at how slow that is. System information. So we can open this up and we can see. So the OS we're running Microsoft Windows 10 Home. You can see my version, build, whatever. It's an NVMe7 notebook. We have an Intel Core i7 processor. We have, let's see. Look at all my memory here. This is like absolutely, it's okay. It's 64-bit. So let's go to hardware. Let's see here. Okay, well, I will tell you what I do know. I have a GeForce 940M in this thing. So, let's see. Can I find where it is? Yeah, NVIDIA GeForce 940M right here. Tel HD graphics. That kind of stuff. We could go through my apps and stuff, but I don't feel like it. I'm using a Razer Kraken V2. This is a Magic Eagle Have-It RGB mouse, which is pretty nice. I like it. Okay, but let me show you the actual headset here. Okay, so Kraken Pro V2. It's very nice. The mic retracts into the headset, so that's very convenient for when I'm not talking to anyone. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hate you all.